girl, hey. I'm gonna be showing you what a flexi rod set looks like on my hair with red and yellow flexi rods, especially yellow. These are so small. I'm about to be all night doing my hair. Pray for me, girl, pray for me. My flexi rod sets, I like to use distilled water. I put this on my roots, and I also like to use my foam styler. Love this foam. It has a great hold, but it doesn't leave my hair crunchy. I'm gonna be using my As I Am bonding leave-in. I'm almost out of this. I have about this much left. I hope it's enough. Of course, my flexi rods. As far as brushes, I have my detangling brush, and then I have my tangle tweezer. I just like to use this to define my curls when I put my foam on. Again, my hair is freshly shampooed and deep conditioned. So let's get started. I like to part off my hair so then it's more manageable when I'm going through each section. So for my flexi rod sets, how I like to do mine, I put my foam on and I start from the bottom. I see a lot of videos and people start up here and then wrap the hair around. I like to start from the bottom, and my hair is a little bit longer, so I have to start at the end, and I wrap my hair around like so, and then I wrap upward toward the roots. And then I also like to twist, and then I twist the rod like so. I'm not gonna lie, that one does suck, but it's okay. We're gonna do another one. On the beat. Oh my goodness, this took me about 3 hours to do. I know for a fact this is not going to be dry in the morning. I had plans to go to the gym, but I'm gonna have to sit under the dryer because who is air drying this mess? I like my flexi rods to be tight. I love the curls that they produce, so I'm pretty excited. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I don't know when, but when I take these down. Good night. Look at my freaking fingers. Do you be for real? Do you see this? And I broke like 4 or 5 nails in the process. I just cannot win. Trying to sleep in flexi rods is no fun at all. I have not fluffed out my curls just yet. I wanted to save that for the camera. So let's go ahead and section off my hair so we can fluff out my curls. When I do separate my curls, I like to separate them with oil. I am going to be using my bonding oil by As I Am. And this is just going to add that extra shine back into my hair. On the beat. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous because the back end, it's way more longer than the front end and the shape is very unproportional. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish out fluffing out and separating the curls on this side, and then we're gonna pick the hair to give her some shape. Because what is this, ma'am? But this is gonna be super cute. It's definitely outside of my normal shape that I do, but that after a moment she's gonna have her time to shine. Okay, my hair is all separated, and you know what, I'm not mad at it. Now what I'm gonna do is pick out my hair so then I can have a little bit more shape. As you can tell, right here is kind of a gap, so I just want my hair to be well rounded. These little pieces are going to bother me, but I'm not going to cut them. Maybe I am. You're not ruining my shine. I really love how my curls turned out. Do you see the material? She's cute. And the fro, doing what she needs to do. If you want to see more tutorials like this, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what type of hairstyle you guys want to see next. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Trying to find